Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a natural everyday makeup tutorial specifically for beginners. I used all drugstore products. So if you're interested in how I achieved today's flawless everyday makeup look, then of course, just continue to watch. So we're starting off with bare skin. You guys know the deal. I actually already did my brows, so we're gonna move right on to skin. So I'm taking my e.l.f. Holy Hydration Daily Moisturizer. Now this is super important for an everyday makeup look, guys. You wanna start off with a hydrated base. Now I love this e.l.f. product because one, affordable, beginner friendly, and it's for every single skin type. So dry, oily, combination, you name it. It's just the right amount of hydration for each skin type. So I love that this is a good product all around. All right, so we're moving into some warmer weather. I'm taking my e.l.f. Suntouchable Invisible Sunscreen. Now this is when you want to go in with your sunscreen right after your moisturizer. Now this is what's going to protect your skin from, of course, the sun rays and just that environmental damage. So you always want to do your SPF right after your moisturizer, and this is just gonna obviously protect your skin. I love this product because you guys can clearly see it's invisible. It's not gonna leave that white cast if you are someone of color, so we love that. Next, you want to go in with your primer. So I'm taking my NYX The Face Glue Gripping Primer. Now I love that this is gripping because this is an everyday makeup look. I'm going to assume you're going to be wearing it for the whole day. So you want a product that's going to be gripping. It's going to make your makeup last longer and just extend the wear of your makeup. So I actually like putting this all over my face so you guys can see I focused in the T-zone and then kind of spread it out all over. But I really love this product. Again, super beginner friendly and affordable, and gets the job done. And I just quickly put on my ring because, you know, I forgot that. But let's move on to foundation. I'm taking my NYX Make 'em Wonder Soft Matte Foundation, and I'm going to pair that with my e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Now, guys, I am in love with this foundation, mainly because look how you can use it. Like, you don't need to worry about putting it on the back of your hand because of how you're able to apply it. So this really allows me to control how much product I'm putting on my face, as you can see. And then the second thing I love about it is the match, the shade match, and the consistency. So this is not a full coverage foundation. It's actually labeled as a buildable foundation. So if you're someone who wants to wear your makeup in a more light setting where it's not doing too much, it's not too cakey, you can go in with one layer of this foundation. But if you're someone who wants to build it up and give more of a full coverage, you have a little bit more scarring going on and need that extra coverage, you can definitely build it up with this foundation. So I love this foundation, guys. And you can see it gave me such a nice flawless finish, guys. Now with the nose area, I didn't put anything on there, just taking the residue as normal, the residue left on the brush, and we're just going to just apply it over the nose area. So now we're going in with concealer. I'm taking my L'Oreal True Match Serum Concealer. Now this is going to brighten the under eyes, guys, because my under eyes have been going through it. So I love that this does what it needs to do. So it brightens as well as conceals just that dark pigmentation underneath my eyes. So we're going to start off with under the eyes, and we're going to pair that with the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. Now you guys know the drill. Start with blending out the edges and then work your way up underneath the eyes. And for this everyday makeup look, guys, a little goes a long way. We don't want to overdo it. We still want our face to look fairly natural, so a little goes a long way. You can see how little of the product I'm putting in each area, and it honestly gets the job done, guys. So I'm just taking my brush and just really blending that out. Let me know how many of these products you guys have in your stash, because these are some products I've used multiple times. But yeah, let me know. Here you can see I'm taking my brush, my foundation brush, and just going over those edges to just make sure that everything flows and works well together. You want everything to look seamless, no harsh lines. So you can see I have a dark eyelids. We're gonna work on that. So I'm taking my e.l.f. concealer brush, and we're just gonna dip back into that concealer and shape up the brows. Again, this is another affordable brush that you can get to add to your makeup kit if you're a beginner, and this is what's going to do the brows and just help you really shape them in place. And then taking some more of that concealer, I'm just going to apply it onto the eyelids and conceal that as well. So you guys are going to see the difference between one side versus the other. It really brought everything together. So this is how the skin is looking before any powder, guys. This is what the goal is. You want it to look like skin still. Flawless, 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 flawless. So we're moving on to powder now. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection Loose Setting Powder and pairing it with this mini powder puff. I've been loving this because I use it for my under eyes. So what you want to do is blend out that under eye section first and then go in with that powder to set. Now the thing I love about this powder, guys, and why I would use it for an everyday makeup look is because it's not brightening. So it's not going to brighten your under eye per se, but it is going to set. So it is flesh tone. You guys can see how that really blended into my skin. But the amazing thing about it is that it blurs the skin. Like, it literally does what it says. So if you're looking for that nice blurring, smooth finish, this powder is it. All right, I'm also going to apply that powder to my lids, but before that, blend out the creases and then go in with the powder to set. You always want to do that, guys. So you never want to skip blending before using your powder, especially in the areas that crease the most. All right, so we're gonna move on to bronzer. I'm taking my NYX Buttermelt Bronzer in the shade Butter Than You and pairing that with my BK Beauty 111 bronzer brush. And this is just gonna bring back some natural warmth to the skin, really carve out some dimension, and give us that nice warm bronze to the skin. So you want to apply it to your cheekbones, your forehead, also down the sides of your nose and your jawline. These are the areas where you want to focus the bronzer. And you can see I'm just lightly dusting this, not being precise. You don't need to be precise with a bronzer, but you do want to focus it in those specific areas only. So you can see what that did for the complexion. I don't look flat anymore. So now we're moving on to blush. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Blush in the shade Legendary Berry and pairing that with my Real Techniques blush brush. We're just gonna dip into that and just really focus it in the apples of the cheeks right above that bronzer. And this is what really brings the everyday look together, in my opinion. This is such a nice, clean girl, everyday makeup look. Love, love, love how it's coming out. So now I'm going in with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Paradise Big Deal Mascara. And this is what makes this an everyday makeup look, guys. You can see I skipped putting on any lashes. You really want to just work with what you got. I think the main thing of an everyday makeup look is your complexion. So just getting that flawless complexion down. So here I'm just really doing the finishing touches to the eyes and really just kind of putting effort with the eyes. So now we're moving on to the lips. This is my lip combo for the day. Revlon Color Stay Multi-Liner, L'Oreal Infallible Lipstick, and then the CoverGirl Yummy Gloss. So this is my lip combo. So we're gonna start off with the lip liner and just lightly line the lips. And the thing I love about this liner, guys, is that it is multi-benefit. So you can use it for anything. You can also use this liner to put in your waterline if you want as well. Love, love, love this. Now I'm going to top that off with my L'Oreal Infallible lipstick. And this is just a nice nude lipstick. You can wear it alone like this if you love a nice matte lip. You guys know me, I love a nice gloss over a nude lip. So I went in with my CoverGirl Yummy Gloss to top that off. And that just really brought this everyday makeup look together, honestly. And of course, you want to set. So I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible 3-second setting mist. And this is what's going to lock the makeup in place for the day, whether you're going to work, school, running errands even. This is just what's going to lock the makeup in place. And I did take my powder puff and just kind of went over that to really just set everything in place. So that is it for this everyday makeup look, guys. You can't tell me this is not a flawless look to quickly put together. Love, love, love how it came out. So hope you guys enjoyed. Try to make it very beginner friendly. Use all drugstore products as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. And if you haven't checked out my most recent video, I'll leave it on the screen for you to check out. But that is about it. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.